My hero.
Mabasi.
Penedi usene mana. Edi ye kanyen. Inge kanyen. Etieka. Eka go to meka. Inge sedi. Her Excellency, Mrs. Ekate Unoma Akpabio.
Today is the birthday of our beloved mommy, a fine mommy, a looking good mommy, a sweet mommy, an amiable mommy. His name is, oh, sorry, her name is Mrs. Ekate Unoma of First City.
You been with the First City?
Akpabio, now that is Akpa Yebio, that's First and City.
And for Mori, I want to
go.
Assassin.
Oh,
Because
today is your birthday.
You don't hear about your young thing.
Oh my God, sorry, bless you.
Mommy, I've heard the tower.
Oh,
Assassin. Eka, no good happen in his imam. You don't hear about your son and pure for Kaka is so saki mam. Apoya saki mam, Kusong, Atetia saki mam, Anana saki mam, Adimera saki mam, Adisuri saki mam.
Abang bet kang amazal, already bargaining now. Yasa song song.
Okay, siapa yang orang entre? Oh, Eka, siapa Eka tua umam?
Oh, mommy, since you are a crying mother, cry for us.
Apa yang dia?
Betua umbam now.
Oh, atuan yang bam.
Normal.
Siapa temporary do sene mana for?
Cause today is your birthday.
Kwa, negunek, diampo. Ngongpo, ekante ngong.
Abang ayan na manyenang, ito ko tingong abang may double bond no, ya nam.
Ando ko yung mong isinam ko.
Oh, say quick oh, mommy, since today is your birthday, we say you should eat, enjoy, dance, sige bem bem.
Ano yung sige bem bem?
Abang ito fan po ke video mo. Yan do yung abana abado. Simple.
Atak mi. Maiyero.
Utang odin fana.
Utang ayo.
Abang ginawi ba ni da utang awo ke da bi yung iniem fana.
Utang fo.
Meda.
Eka, God bless you.
Amen.
We love you.
Amen.
Afo amen tungpo.
Ibang yung men lang afo kare.
Maiyero, abang ayong kebe ko das kingdom.
Tin nek beto so.
Amigo for make beto so.
Ano nga do?
Eka, we love you.